Right then, guys, here we go. We got a Robin Hood little kit car here. Look, it looks a well-built little car. It's showing no identity, no number plate at the moment. Let's have a little look. We've got a bit of power there. Hang on. There you go. She's on the key. No problem. 5 speed. Showing 7,000 miles, 7.5. Obviously, we take all that with a pinch of salt because of what it is. But anyway, there she is. Look, stainless steel middle, red bit of trim. It's got an EFI, what looks to be, well, I would have said a Pinto, but it's EFI, so it'd be the later one, I suspect, will it? Or the Pinto block, were they? But anyway, there she is, Ford powered by the looks of that. Looks a great little thing. There's so much fun, these little things, aren't they, for not masses of money. So there she is, look, shrouded exhaust, alloy wheels on it, look, and a stainless middle. Can't go wrong, can you? So waterproof seat covers. This one's doing a sterling job, look. I've just taken that one off so you can see the seats, which are nice, and they look to be very comfy seats as well. So there you go, pop down, have a little look, make some inquiries. As I say, I don't know where it is with regards registration and all the rest of it, but there'll no doubt be some info going on the website. Thank you.